Many people look back on the mid-2010s as the era when Thaiboy Digital and Drain Gang helped redefine the sound and style of internet rap. As someone who loves both music and fashion, and with Paradise on the horizon, one question kept coming to mind. My name is Daniil Gritsenko, editor at Highsnobiety, and I had to ask, what does Paradise even look like? To find out, we sat down with Thaiboy Digital and talked about Paradise, where he's at today, and what Paradise means to him. Your project is titled Paradise. How would you define your paradise?
My paradise, now that I'm a dad, I think it would be like a beautiful garden, very like forest, lush, the kids running around, almost like a farm like.
What is your favorite thing to do with your family, like when you have time?
Oh no, cook. Like the best day would be like when we have like some big dish we're doing, like we, cook together. My eldest one, she's 6, Lily. She's love to cook.
And zodiac sign. I don't know if you believe in that stuff.
I do.
You do?
Yeah.
What's your sign?
I'm a Libra.
You're a Libra.
Yeah. My youngest one is Taurus, and my eldest one is Aquarius. So both very different. It's really nice to see them grow up. And when you read the star sign, like I read it before they were born, like both of them. It's exactly like foretold. Like you could see how like they become, like how it was written. Really crazy.
First step is getting the ingredients. Are you guys ready?
Yes, sir.
牛肚呢？牛
This
肚呢
is the beef part
Ah,
that we're
ah.
gonna use.
Nice.
These beef shank and our smaller beef shank is like the better parts.
Yeah. Nice.
So we use the good part of the beef shank,
Yeah.
and then the beef tripe is gonna be right there.
Ooh, what's the tribe?
对它，对
Because I'm a tripeaholic. Yeah, let's go to the candy
Okay.
place.
Okay.
Oh, they got a Thai snack too.
Oh, they got Thai snacks?
Yeah, like the
Oh, the crab ones.
the shrimp chips.
I think those would be good with beer now.
Yeah, easy.
Okay,
Yeah, we
let's
can
get it.
one of those. See what else.
Not the spicy ones.
This one is fun.
What is that? Is that like peas?
Yeah, it's like I wonder if it's covered in wasabi. If it is, it's like it's fun. It's fun to eat.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
kind of fun to eat. This is not beer snack, but this is good. This is good shit. This is yummy. Got shrimp chips. Got this wasabi peas. I hope it's wasabi. The fucky classic.
We're about to cook some meals and Breeze. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Do it. Let go.
我们第一步就是要用凉水把这个牛腱和牛肚呢煮一下去腥，先把香料煮一下，完之后再让它出味儿了，再下这些牛腱和牛肚。这样的话，大约再煮45分钟，就 OK 了。拿出来以后给它晾凉，用保鲜膜包好，放在冰箱里冷却2到3个小时以后，再切片再拌就 OK 了。这都是我们整理过的，完之后切成薄薄的片，对对对，
Yeah.
就这样，哎，对。
Yeah.
所以切的越薄越好，
Yeah.
切的越薄越好，对
Yeah. Sesame oil is.
对，
葱油对吧？
不是，这是红油。
It's in my mouth water. Like, look at it. Yeah, like swallowing saliva. Can't wait. Yeah.
Thaiboy is done cooking, so we're about to eat this. What is the name of this dish?
Fushi Fei Pian. Yeah.
Wife and husband did.
Oh my god.
Oh wow.
Oh my god. Cool, the best one I ever had. It's the best I ever had in my life. So good.
Wow,
You can feel the love in this dish.
the wife's love or the husband's?
The chef.
Anyone you're looking forward to collaborating with in the future?
Yeah. Tiësto, Future. On some trap shit, I would love to collab with Southside. Yeah, but he beats go crazy. But yeah, I feel like it would be beyond dream come true if I can like have a song, like make music with Tiësto. I don't know. I feel like so far away from reality. Really? Yeah. I mean, it's a dream, you know.
You work with Skrillex, right?
Yeah.
So how was that?
Crazy. He's whole another level. Like he fucking locked in. Yeah, I never seen anyone like that in terms of like energy and stuff. The first time I saw him, they were coming out from the van. He was like holding the computer, like playing music and talking about like tracks with our friends. Like, you know, he's like that, like 24/7. It's crazy. The funny story actually, like once we were on the way to a location, I think we were talking about like Tiësto. Maybe I said something, and then Screech was like, "Yeah, I know Tiësto. That's my friend." And so like, maybe it was like Tiësto's birthday or something. So we recorded like, "Happy birthday, Tiësto!"
5-year anniversary of my fantasy world. Anything to say about that? The anniversary of the Pillars.
Yeah, it's crazy that it came all the way here, like from making that EP. I thought it was gonna be like a one-time thing, but ever since then, like, you know, got to do like DJ Billybool shows and stuff. And I never thought that, you know, none of that would ever happen. Like being in this, you know, the EDM world, and then, you know, one thing leads to another. Like now I'm doing Paradise album, Thaiboy, in English, and now I'm super kind of humble and kind of proud, bro. And I'm kind of proud of myself for like DJ Billybool, that project. 5 years, yeah, it's great.
What's like influence you like creatively? Like
I think like how I live my life is a lot in my sound. I go to the bank a lot, have a good relationship with the staff. You know, they already know like what I'm trying to do when I go there. Like, yeah, they know my shit. Like they know me. Like they know my nickname and stuff. But when I listen to music, I listen to like chill stuff. Listen to like The Shire, the Lord of Dreams soundtrack. I listen to like Irish tavern music. Very like light, you know. But on a good day, like, yeah, of course, like party, Tiësto, all of that.
yeah, when kids are not around.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. We party in time to time in Bangkok, like, me and my wife. So that's, I think, like going out and turning up is also like makes, you know, that bringing that energy back, and maybe that's translates to the music also works.
I'm sure it does to
Yeah.
some extent. You know, making music, throwing it out on the internet,
Yeah.
and just like, you know, getting into music, getting into the creative scene, and all of that. What do you think you wish you knew at that age?
The answers are so simple that you're not gonna remember, like, but have as much fun as you can. It's that's the whole point for me, like making music, is to have fun. I really enjoy making the songs, writing them, recording them, hearing them after, you know, make changes on the song, you know, every step of it, forming the songs. That made me happy, because I enjoy doing that. So yeah, I think you should have as much fun as you can. And if it's not fun, then you should like thinking like it shouldn't be like serious. It's not like going to a test in school or like
Yeah,
like it should be nice. And well, I want people to, you know, tap in more to the EDM world. I sometimes in like later in life, but I think like you can tap into like the EDM style. Like it's really nice. I don't think anyone know what they're doing, but it's like being there together. If you haven't tried some micheladas in your life, if you haven't tried some Guinness in your life, you know, if you haven't, you need a Fuji Fekian in your life. Yeah, enjoy. It's summertime, like, turn up, be safe. Let go.